shooting my FX impact with the H&N Gen 2 slugs. It's 25 grain. And I got the Hunter Tactical magazine again. So, and of course I got my new scope, the Element 2 to 16 by 50 millimeter. So far it's been, I'm really liking the scope, but anyway, let me start by doing some practice, zero check at 40 yards, and then I'm gonna keep pushing it back. So. I'm going to set the scope at 12x. Okay, get on target here. So slightly high, and I'm zero at 50. So I'm just going to leave it. I'm going to adjust my hole. So I'm going to go for the spinner. That's pretty good. That's 8 shots, all the way down to the half inch. I'm gonna move it to 50 now. So the spinner is at 50 yards. I'm gonna be shooting with my FX impact with the H&N Gen 2 slugs, 25 grain. that was pretty good. Those 50 yards with my impact, and that's the smallest one. That's a 1/2 inch, and that's 2 1/4 inch, I think, or 2 1/2. So these are my DIY spinner. It works really good for my purpose, and I'm not sure you can see, but these small ones, the rods are already bending. So these are all steel, by the way. So definitely a lot of strength and power, energy. Hit this in order to bend this rod. That's crazy, right? So right now my impact is set about, I think it's like 54 foot-pound. I have to verify it again just to check the speed and see where I'm at currently. But so far it's been shooting really tight group. So I'm gonna push it back to 60 yards now and see what happens. So that was 5 shots, 60 yards. I got 4 of them, probably 1/2 inch for sure. One's a bit low. The wind is pushing right to left. So that's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. So let's push it to 70 yards now. So let's go to 70 yards. That's 10 step back. Okay, I'm gonna do 70 yards, but first I'm gonna do the zero check. So I'm gonna hit somewhere in the middle, and I'm gonna chase it, and then I'm gonna lock it in and mark it on my turrets. So this is 70 yards. Okay, that was 70 yards. So I got 3 touching here and then kind of spread out. Not too bad. It's a bit windy. I'm gonna have to fine tune it. So, but anyway, I'm gonna push it to 80 now and see what happens. My battery is draining here. This is my last battery, so I might not get to the 80, but I'll try.